right, my peeps and people. Today I'm going to show you how to make some farmer's salad. It's called Chobani in Turkey, in Greece, but aka garden farmer's salad. It's like a homemade salsa. It's a great ingredient. So I'm going to start with romaine chopped lettuce, okay? And then I got some red cabbage, which I carry all the time in my house. And I'm gonna chop some. I washed it. So what you do is you put your fingertips right on the edge and slice real thin. No need to shred. I don't like shredded cabbage. So we're gonna put it like this. As you can see, it's already looking good. Very colorful. Okay. Now we're gonna use our next vegetable, which is my favorite fruit, is tomato. Okay. Let's chop our tomatoes. And this is how I chop, real thin. Make sure you don't chop your finger off. Okay, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God. How's that sound? New song, right? One more will do. And if you have leftover, you can use it with your taco platter. It goes real well with taco, burgers, or your anything barbecue, brisket, ribs, name it. We have it covered. Okay, next ingredient is our English cucumbers. They are English because they have no seeds. They kill the seeds, the GMO. I don't know. I think so. We garnish top with the cucumbers, which is my favorite. And guess what next one is? My favorite, hot peppers. Jalapenos. Some people likes hot, some people don't. Okay, right. Next one is gonna be my crushed garlic. Okay. And I need some of my green stuff. Green. I have fresh mint. They are so delicious, full of vitamin C, guys. And you don't have to chop them too small. I like to eat them, and it gives you great breath after dinner. Okay. Now we're gonna use some lemon. We don't use no fatty salad dressing. We make our own salad dressing, okay? Then we're gonna use some lime. Lime is very hard to squeeze, so you have to dig in with your fingers. Oh, smells so awesome. Okay, my next ingredient is olive oil, which is Mediterranean, and always have it on my table. I got some chopped scallion, green onions. And I have some white onions, which is very sweet. They are not bitter. And I have some chili peppers. We like them hot, as I said. Got some salt. Yeah. Sea salt and cracked pepper for crackheads. Cracked peppers for cracks. Okay, guys. A little bit smoked chili is very nice. You can get it from Aldi. Aldi is our favorite grocery store, as you may know. Okay. Voila! That's your Chobani Farmer's Salad.